My name is Rupe with Monrovia Growers. We have a series of hydrangeas that just started coming out last year and more production this year. It's called the Seaside Serenade series, and they come in many different colors. I really love this one, the Fireside multicolor, the Newport, which is a purple. I've never seen a purple.
Very cool.
Very cool color, the purple, and of course the blue. What's great about these is they're not a very tall hydrangea. They're maybe 3.5, 4 feet tall and wide, so they're a smaller hydrangea. But most important for us here up in the high country in the mountains, and that's all we're going to now, is hydrangeas that are cold climate hydrangeas. The other hydrangeas in the past, Nico Blue and etc., they lived, but they would die down to the ground. The wood on them is kind of tender, and if it gets really cold, single digits, the wood would usually die. And those plants bloomed on previous year's wood. So if that wood died, plant comes up, but you're not getting any hydrangeas for spring. Very disappointing. But these they bloom on new wood. So if it's a cold enough winter where the stems die down, you got new growth comes up and it blooms on the new wood. Which also means you can, after they bloom, you can cut them back and you get more new growth, and it blooms on the second growth again. So they can have off and on blooms for the summer even. They are for shade here. They don't want a direct sun, and they can take some early morning sun, etc. But you know, especially if you live up to the pines and stuff, my neighbors have some, they do great, they love it, they do fantastic in the shade. And a tie-in sells for, you know, if you want to keep them blue, you need to add soil acidifier, which you carry.
Yep.
Otherwise, our soil kind of tends to keep them pink because it's more alkaline.
I can tell you, if you want to grow hydrangeas, I'm a flower guy. That's my thing. I love flowers. We've got 50 pots of flowers, raised beds of flowers, and I grow hydrangeas. I have seen this 2 years ago. I saw these plants. He teased us. The growers are going, "Oh, we got these in production. Do you like them?" I'm going, "Yeah, I want them now." Finally, 2 years later, we get them, so I'm so excited. These are some of the most exciting hydrangeas. I love this purple. I'm sure we won't be able to get enough. Double my order, just bring more. I want more.
We do have some.
So this is just, you've never seen anything like this purple hydrangea. It's pretty wild. When is the first shipment you think we'll be able to harvest out of this?
We're probably talking the end of April, early May when they're in color.
Normal time?
Yeah. Okay.